Have you ever felt the universe whispering to you? A quiet pull, as if the stars themselves are guiding you to see life differently? This is not just your imagination, it is a profound signal that your soul is awakening. Spiritual awakening is not a single moment of clarity, but a journey, a spiral rather than a straight line. Each person walks this path differently, but there are common stages we all pass through. If you're here, you are already on this journey. Today, we will travel through the 5 stages of spiritual awakening. I want you to listen closely because by the end of this video, you might recognize exactly where you are in this cosmic dance of growth and transformation. Before we begin, take a deep breath and feel your body relax. Imagine the energy of the universe flowing through you right now. If this resonates with your soul, share this video with someone who might need this reminder. And if you feel called to do so, let me know in the comments which stage you feel you are in. Because when we speak our truth, we give it power. Now let's begin this journey. The first stage, the unconscious self. In the beginning, most of us live in a kind of dream. Not the beautiful kind of dream, but one made of noise. The endless chatter of the mind, the weight of expectations, and the pull of emotions we don't fully understand. This is the stage where the ego reigns. It's like wearing glasses that are smudged and distorted. You see the world, but only through the stories your mind tells you. In this stage, life often feels like it's happening to you rather than for you. You might find yourself reacting rather than creating, always chasing happiness but never quite catching it. You may feel weighed down by anger, defensiveness, or a sense of being lost. Every hurt or trauma feels like proof that the world is against you. But this stage is not a failure. It is the foundation. Because without the darkness of this unconscious stage, you could never appreciate the light of awakening. It is here that the first crack appears in the shell of the ego. Something, maybe a moment of pain, maybe a flash of insight, makes you realize that there is more to life than just existing. And that spark leads to the next stage. Second stage, ego death. Ego death sounds frightening, but it is one of the most liberating stages you can experience. It is not about losing yourself, but about shedding the layers of false identity that have covered your true self for so long. This is when you begin to see through the roles you've been playing. The labels of gender, age, status, or belief that you've been told define you. You start to sense that these are just masks, and behind them, there is something much deeper. Ego death feels like standing in front of a mirror and seeing yourself for the first time, stripped of the stories you've carried. It can be unsettling. You may feel a sense of emptiness, as if everything you once believed in is slipping away. But this emptiness is sacred. It is the space where your true self, your eternal, infinite self, begins to shine through. At this stage, you start to realize that you are not your thoughts or emotions. You are the one who observes them. You are the quiet awareness that watches life unfold. This is the beginning of a powerful shift. And once you step into this awareness, there is no turning back. Third stage, the search for truth. Once the old masks begin to fall away, something inside you hungers for meaning. This is the stage of searching. You find yourself drawn to spiritual teachings, books, or videos that feel like they are speaking directly to your soul. You want to know why you are here, what your purpose is, and what the universe is trying to tell you. In this stage, you may start exploring meditation, journaling, or simply spending more time in stillness. Your heart is pulling you to something greater, and you can't ignore it. The search is not just about collecting knowledge, it's about peeling away every illusion to find your truth. You may also feel moments of deep synchronicity, signs, numbers, or unexpected encounters that feel like messages from the universe. It's as if life itself is whispering that you are on the right path. Every insight feels like a spark of light that guides you forward. But here's the truth. The search isn't about finding something outside of you. It's about remembering what has always been inside you. The wisdom you seek has been there all along, waiting for you to listen. Fourth stage, the emergence of the authentic self. This is the stage where everything starts to change, both inside and outside. When you begin to see who you really are, the false layers of your life can no longer hold together. You might find that certain relationships, jobs, or routines no longer resonate with you. It's not that they are wrong, but they simply don't match the vibration of your soul anymore. At this stage, you feel a deep pull to live as your authentic self, the version of you that existed before the world told you who to be. Pretending or conforming becomes unbearable. You find yourself wanting to speak your truth, to live with clarity, and to create a life that feels aligned with who you are becoming. This stage can bring great change, endings, beginnings, and sometimes chaos, but it is all part of the shedding. Just like a snake must release its old skin to grow, you are shedding the weight of the past to step into a new version of yourself. During this time, your intuition grows sharper. You start noticing the subtle ways your soul communicates through dreams, feelings, or sudden insights. You may also experience physical shifts like bursts of energy or vivid dreams as your body and mind adjust to higher frequencies of awareness. And fifth stage, living in alignment. The final stage is not a destination, but a way of being. This is when you begin to live in true alignment with your soul, your purpose, and the universe around you. It's as if every part of you, mind, body, and spirit, starts moving in harmony. Living in alignment doesn't mean life is always easy or perfect. It means you no longer fight against life's flow. You understand that every experience, so the light and the shadow, has its place. You begin to feel an unshakable peace because you trust that everything is happening for your highest good. You also begin to feel your connection with everything, with nature, the stars, and the energy of others. You sense that you are part of something vast and infinite. And with this realization comes a natural compassion, both for yourself and for others. You no longer see life as a competition, but as a shared journey of growth and healing. In this stage, you become the creator of your reality. You step into your power, not with force, but with grace and clarity. You learn to follow the subtle nudges of the universe, trusting that you are always exactly where you need to be. Spiritual awakening is not about becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you truly are. Each stage is a step back to your essence, a return to the light that has always been within you. If these words resonated with you, know that you are exactly where you need to be. No stage is better than another. Every step is sacred. And if you are ready to continue this journey, stay connected with this space. Cosmic Vibes is here to remind you that the universe is always guiding you, always whispering, always waiting for you to listen. If you felt this message, share it with someone you care about. Tell me in the comments which stage of awakening you recognize within yourself. And remember, your journey is not random. It is divinely timed, and the next step is already unfolding. Until next time, trust your path. The universe is with you.